art experience, there is already a business model ready to go for you through Pi Art Network, where the platform allows you to have traffic, provide you with traffic, and allow you to monetize. And in the meantime, utility of Pi is created for all pioneers. And this is great for Pi Network overall.
Pi Network is more than a blockchain. It is a global community built through years of patience, learning, development, and belief in a shared vision. Millions of pioneers around the world have joined this journey. Some are learning, some are building, some are supporting the ecosystem, and others are simply watching how the network continues to develop. But now, the most important question is not only how many people are part of Pi Network. The bigger question is, what can people actually do with Pi? This is where utility becomes important. A strong ecosystem needs more than users. It needs useful applications, developers, businesses, merchants, services, and real-world adoption. That means the next chapter should focus on more utility, more builders, more apps, more adoption, and more community power. Developers can create applications that solve real problems. Businesses can explore new ways of accepting Pi. Users can test useful services and provide feedback. Together, these activities can help create a stronger ecosystem. The community has already shown incredible patience over the years. Through different stages, pioneers continued learning, discussing, building, and supporting the network. However, community size alone is not enough. The real strength of a blockchain ecosystem comes when people can actually use it. Imagine a future where more applications allow pioneers to use Pi for everyday services. Imagine more merchants exploring Pi payments and more developers creating tools for millions of potential users. That is where the real potential of a community-driven ecosystem can become visible. But pioneers should also remain careful. Not every prediction, rumor, or price claim shared online is official. Always verify important information and focus on confirmed developments. The future of Pi Network will depend on continued development, useful applications, real adoption, and the ability of the community to turn ideas into practical solutions. The foundation has been built over many years. Now the focus is on what can be built on top of that foundation. More builders, more applications, more utility, more adoption, and more opportunities for the community to participate. Because a blockchain provides technology, but people create the ecosystem. Developers build, businesses participate, users create activity, and communities create momentum. That is why Pi Network can be seen as more than just a blockchain. It is a growing community with a vision of creating a broader digital ecosystem. The next chapter will not be defined by words alone. It will be defined by what gets built, what people use, and how the ecosystem continues to grow. So, the big question is simple. What happens when millions of pioneers combine community power with real utility? The answer will come through development, adoption, and real-world use. This is Pi News World. Stay informed, verify information, and keep watching the journey. The foundation is here, the community is here, and the next chapter is still being written.